Hello everyone, this is SHAKER Technology speaking. We are the manufacturer of the most technologically advanced protein machines for fitness. We present to you the new SHAKER Touch2 model. The first thing that catches your eye is the huge 32-inch display. It's very bright and vibrant. It immediately makes you want to buy it. We can brand the machine itself in the fitness club's corporate colors. The front panel can be customized, as well as the interface itself, and of course the side stickers. This builds more trust with the customer. Accordingly, it leads to more sales. A common problem for vending machine operators is having huge bunches of keys. Keys are constantly getting lost, machines are hard to open, and so on. Sometimes an operator spends 2 hours in traffic, arrives at the location and can't open the machine because they forgot the key. We don't have that problem because our machines open with electronic keys. And there's a QR code like this, the operator scans it and the machine opens. It's very convenient and high-tech. Through the telemetry system, you can manage the keys, create a single key for multiple machines, or block any key at any time. For example, when an employee leaves, you can simply revoke their access to the machine. The machine has 8 powder bins, each holding 2 kilograms. That's about 500 cocktails. Plus, the machine can use not only powders, but also concentrates and syrups. Drinks like BCAA, L-carnitine, and energy drinks don't store well as powders. They quickly absorb moisture and become very hard. That's why we recommend using these types of drinks in concentrate form. What makes it possible for our machine to produce drinks with the perfect consistency? It's thanks to very powerful mixers. They spin at 16,000 revolutions per minute with a special impeller, and overall we have a really cool mixing technology. The machine can make 14 different types of drinks: proteins, BCAA, L-carnitine, energy drinks, milkshakes, all in one machine. We ourselves have a huge network of protein machines, so we know how to properly arrange all the necessary components inside to make everything easy and convenient to service. Everything that comes into contact with the products is located in a separate section. All the electronics are placed in the back. Under the mixers, there is a special tray so that in case of any spills, all the liquid will drain into a special container. By the way, the container has a sensor that detects when it is full and sends a signal to the telemetry system. The machine has a hot water rinsing function. You can set up the rinsing schedule through the telemetry system, for example, twice a day or at night. Thanks to the hot water rinsing, the machine always stays clean. This increases its autonomy and accordingly reduces operating costs. There are 2 types of coolers available. For moderate climates, there is an electronic cooler. It is quite energy efficient. There is also an option for hot countries. A compressor cooler which can chill drinks down to 1 degree Celsius. There are 2 ways to connect to the water supply. The first way is to use bottled water. And the second way is to connect the machine directly to the water supply through a filter, of course. The interface is what catches every customer's attention. The interface is very bright and vibrant. On the first screen, the customer selects the type of drink, for example, a protein shake. They press Next. They can choose any flavor, read the detailed ingredients list, and pick any flavor they like. Next, they choose how they want to purchase the drink. The machine can pour the drink either into a cup or into their own shaker or bottle. Protein shakes are more convenient to drink from a cup, so we select the cup, proceed to the next step, and press Pay. Some drinks like BCAA, L-carnitine, and energy drinks are more convenient to drink from your own bottle during a workout. This machine allows you to pour the drink into your own bottle. The machine tells you when to place your bottle. It is securely fixed in place there. While you are placing the bottle, the machine checks the height of the bottle. If it is taller than the required parameters, the machine will not start preparing the drink. Bottles up to 18 centimeters in height are allowed. About the payment system, in this case, a terminal is installed here that operates using the MDB protocol. Our machines support all levels of this protocol. You can install a terminal for, say, Yaks, and the machine will work. We were the first to install a barcode reader in our machines back in 2018. This reader performs a wide variety of functions. For example, as I mentioned earlier, it acts as a lock and it also serves as a customer identifier. That is, our customers have these valet cards which allow a person to accumulate bonuses and redeem them. And in order to identify which customer has approached the machine, the customer scans their barcode with the reader and we can tell who the customer is. We then offer them the option to either redeem bonuses or accumulate more bonuses. Through the telemetry system, you can create various promo codes for discounts on specific types of drinks, set a particular price, or specify the size of the discount as a percentage or a fixed amount. You can set it up so that, for example, on Friday evenings from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., there is a certain percentage discount on a specific type of drink. All these settings can be saved, and you can send promo codes to your customers via social media or print them out. You can put them on flyers and so on and hand them out to customers. The customer comes up and easily uses their discount at the payment screen. Another feature that I almost forgot to mention is the Micromarket function. You can place various shelves next to the machine and arrange products on them. You can also set up a commercial refrigerator. The customer comes up, takes the product, scans the barcode on the reader, the price appears on the display, they press pay, and then pay through the acquiring terminal. In this way, the machine can not only sell drinks, but also replace an entire fitness bar. As I mentioned, all the electronics are located at the back, which makes maintenance convenient. There are also wheels at the bottom, so any operator can easily move it, turn it, and service the electronics if necessary. Here is the UPS module, an uninterruptible power supply, which protects all the electronics from power surges or outages. If that happens, the machine will send a signal to the telemetry system, so you'll be notified about it. When the power comes back on, the machine will automatically turn on and notify the telemetry system as well. The machine is equipped with a very powerful computer, which makes the entire interface extremely fast and responsive, and you can notice it right away. There are 3 ways to connect the machine to the internet. The first is via cable. There's a special port here, plus Wi-Fi and a 3G modem. It's very important to connect the machine to the internet. All updates, any interface changes, all of that happens through the internet. And you also monitor the machine over the internet using the telemetry system. Every one of our clients is given free access to this system. You can see your machines, their current status, their sales. You can create promo codes for us and so on. There are a lot of features there. This system will continue to develop and improve significantly. That's why the machine should always be connected to the internet. One of the main features of our machine is that it already contains a huge database of the most well-known sports nutrition brands. For example, you bought a pack of protein. Here in my hands is Nutriversum Whey Pro. You pour it into the hopper, into one of the hoppers, and select it. In this hopper, we'll have the Nutriversum brand. Here it is. We select Nutriversum Whey Pro, strawberry flavor. That's it, you press save. After rebooting, on the machine screen in the purchase menu for the end consumer, there will be a beautiful splash of a branded cup and the manufacturer's logo will appear. So the machine has rebooted. We go to the main menu and select protein. And now we have the strawberry flavor from the Nutriversum Whey Pro brand, the one I'm holding in my hands, with a description of the nutritional values, proteins, fats, everything is there with beautiful splashes. We don't just sell machines, we help you build a business, a successful business with our equipment. We provide a 24-month warranty and offer technical support 7 days a week. We always have spare parts in stock because we manufacture the machines ourselves and have a huge supply of parts. We also provide access to an online telemetry service where you can monitor inventory, manage the machines, check their technical condition, and build a customer database. There are many different features there which are constantly being updated with new capabilities. And we provide you with this access free of charge. Follow us on our social media. We regularly post various information about our company, about our products, news about developments, and so on. Subscribe and stay informed. We would be very happy.